Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Knowledge की दुनिया. Today I will tell you different facts that will definitely increase your knowledge. So let's start the video. Fact number 1. New Zealand have more pets per household than any other country in the world. Fact number 2. Tokyo is the world's largest city with 37 million inhabitants. Fact number 3. If you try to suppress a sneeze, you can rupture a blood vessel in your head or neck and die. Fact number 4. Germany was the first country to implement summertime. Fact number 5. 2/3 of the people on earth have never seen snow. Fact number 6. In summer, the Eiffel Tower is 5.9 inches higher than in winter. Fact number 7. All the ants on the earth weigh about as much all the humans. Fact number 8. There is a website that tracks the world population in real time. Fact number 9. The 3 wealthiest families in the world have more acid than the combined wealth of 48 poorest nations. Fact number 10. Cracking your knuckles does not hurt your bones. The sound you hear is just gas bubble bursting. Fact number 11. In history, a traffic jam lasted for more than 10 days with cars only moving 0.6 miles a day. Fact number 12. 20% of office coffee mugs contain fecal matter. Fact number 13. The reason why Olympians bite their medals after a win is to check if it is chocolate or not.